welcome back to the channel everybody. We've made it to Talacre beach, the North Wales coast. This is our third part of the trip, of the series. So we're going to have a look at the top of these sand dunes, have a look at the nature reserve that's here, and have a look at the lighthouse and get our drone out there and see what it looks like from above. Let's go! Okay, so I've made that second sand dune. We're at the top now and we can see the lighthouse from up here. So we're going to get the drone up, fly over to the lighthouse, give you all a good view of that and have a look at the nature reserve that's here as well. So let's get the drone up, time to fly!
Thanks for watching.
So thank you for watching that video. Give it a thumbs up for us if you've enjoyed that one. We've got nice and close to that lighthouse. We've had a look over this nature reserve. We've got sand in our shoes. Now it's time to go to the next location. Thank you.